Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see that you joined me once again for another trip to another country from our kitchen. We're going to Bahrain and we're going to enjoy some nice machboos. It should be a chicken machboos, but since my neighbors were so kind to gift me some lamb because they decided to buy an entire lamb, I am going to use lamb. I checked online and I saw that this dish can also be made with lamb meat or goat meat, or alternatively, as you can find the recipe on my blog if you want to check it and if you want to make it for yourselves, you make it with a chicken, ideally a whole chicken. But you can also, if you're not that many people and if you're not going to eat the whole chicken, you can also use chicken pieces, that's just fine. So let's get to it and let's see what we need. So for our machboos we will need one chicken, or in my case about half a kilo of lamb, 3 tablespoons of butter or ghee, 2 cups of rice, here is only one displayed, chicken stock, I'm going to use the powdered one, 2 tomatoes chopped, salt and pepper, 2 onions chopped, 5 cloves of garlic that will be crushed, 1 tablespoon of chili, 5 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of baharat spice mixture. The recipe for it is on my blog. 2 dried limes, you can get them at any Middle Eastern shop or otherwise online. 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ideally freshly grated or minced ginger, otherwise ginger powder, I'm using powder. 1 bunch of parsley and 1 bunch of coriander. We also need some oil for frying the meat at the beginning. Let's get to it. In a Dutch oven or a large skillet, we heat up some oil and fry the meat for a couple of minutes until it's not that pink anymore. Now that's not that pink anymore, we remove it from the heat. We put it on a plate, only the meat. We leave in all the fat and oil and add the butter. So we pour in our butter. Melt it. Add the onions and the crushed garlic. And we fry it until the onions turn translucent. Now we also add in the chili, the ginger, mix it, we add back the chicken, or in our case the lamb. And we add the remaining spices. We mix it well. Now we also add the cardamom pods and the tomatoes. It smells amazing. All the spices and aromas. We also season with some salt. Now we add approximately 2 to 3 cups of chicken stock. So in my case I add the powder and then I pour in some water. We bring the whole mixture to a boil. We add some pepper. Now that it's boiling, we add in the rice, our 2 cups. And we add part of the coriander and parsley chopped. The rest we'll leave for garnish. We mix it again and we reduce the heat. And we'll let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes or 30 minutes until the rice is done. Now, if you would like to have some liquid in your rice and you would like to have it less dry, you can add a bit of water like I did. And if you would like to have it more on the dry side, just leave it on the stove until the water has evaporated and don't add any more. So now let's get ready. And here we have our finished dish. We are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you would like to make it at home and recreate it. I would love to see if you send me the pictures. And well, that's it from my part. Thanks so much for joining. And if you would like to subscribe to this channel, subscribe and you can see more videos. And if you like this video, leave a comment or give it a thumbs up. And for now, I'll see you next week. Bye!